Let's be honest about your beauty routine. You've stood in the makeup aisle for 45 minutes, swatching foundation shades on your wrist like a human paint palette, watching YouTube tutorials at 2 a.m., buying a $48 lipstick that looked stunning on the influencer, but made you look like you just ate a popsicle in a windstorm. You're not bad at beauty, you just don't have the right guide. Now let that sink in for a second. Think about how much money is sitting in your bathroom drawer right now. Half-used palettes, primers that didn't match your skin type, foundations 2 shades too dark because the store lighting lied to you. The average woman spends over $3,700 a year on beauty products, and roughly 40% of those products end up barely used. That's not a beauty routine. That's an expensive guessing game. Imagine tossing $1,500 a year into a drawer and just closing it. That's what's happening. And you're not just losing money, you're losing time scrolling through endless best of lists. You're losing confidence when a look doesn't land, and you're losing the joy that beauty is supposed to bring in the first place. But what if there was a smarter way? What if instead of guessing, you had a personal AI-powered beauty advisor that actually knew your face, your skin tone, your features, and could recommend exactly what works for you? Not for some influencer with a ring light and a sponsorship deal. For you. That's exactly what Glam AI was built to do. Glam AI is an AI-powered beauty platform that analyzes your unique features and delivers hyper-personalized beauty recommendations, from makeup looks and skincare routines to hairstyle suggestions and product picks. No more guessing, no more wasting, no more, maybe this will work. Here's how it works. You upload a selfie or use the live camera. The AI maps your facial features, your skin tone, your face shape, and your undertones. And then you get instant tailored recommendations that actually match your look. It's like having a celebrity makeup artist in your pocket, except it's available 24/7 and doesn't charge $500 an hour. Think about it this way. Instead of browse products and find what works, imagine seeing yourself in the perfect red lip before you ever open your wallet. So here's what you actually get with Glam AI. First, AI face analysis. It understands your face shape, skin tone, undertone, and unique features in seconds. Second, virtual try-on. You can see how makeup, hairstyles, and colors look on your face before buying anything. Third, personalized product recommendations. No more generic bestseller lists. These picks are curated specifically for you. Fourth, a look inspiration engine. You discover trending looks tailored to your features, not someone else's. Fifth, skincare guidance. AI-driven insights into what your skin actually needs. And sixth, you can save and compare looks. Bookmark styles, compare side by side, and build your own personal beauty playbook. This isn't just an app, it's the end of beauty buyer's remorse. Now let's talk about cost. Here's where it gets interesting. Glam AI offers a free tier so you can experience the magic without pulling out your credit card. You can explore core features, try on looks, and get a real taste of what personalized beauty actually feels like. For the full experience, advanced try-ons, deeper skin analysis, and premium recommendations, there are affordable premium plans that cost less than that one foundation you bought and never wore. So stop spending $50 on products that don't work. Start investing a fraction of that into knowing what does. Cut the guesswork so you can spend on products you'll actually love and have money left over for that spa day you deserve. And here's the best part. You can try before you commit. The free version isn't a teaser. It's a real, functional experience. You'll see results on your own face within 60 seconds of signing up. No surveys, no waiting, no bait and switch. If personalized AI beauty recommendations don't change how you shop, how you experiment, and how confident you feel, you haven't lost a thing. Zero risk, zero guesswork, just clarity. Now let me tell you my personal story. I was just like you. I had a drawer full of almost right products, foundations that oxidized weird, blush shades that looked dusty, lipsticks I wore once and completely forgot about. I'd spend hours researching, watching tutorials, reading reviews, and still end up disappointed. I tried everything. Sephora color matching, still off. Quizzes on beauty sites, way too generic. Asking friends, we have completely different skin tones. I was stuck in a cycle of buy, try, return, repeat. Then I discovered Glam AI. I uploaded one photo. Within seconds, it mapped my face shape, identified my undertone, warm olive, which explains why cool-toned foundations always look chalky on me, and showed me looks that genuinely suited my features. For the first time, I wasn't guessing. I was seeing. Now I buy with confidence. My beauty routine is simpler, faster, and actually makes me feel like myself, the best version. I've saved hundreds of dollars, but more importantly, I've saved the frustration. Your own face is your best beauty guide. Glam AI just helps you read it. So here's the bottom line. Glam AI isn't just another beauty app. It's the moment beauty stops being about trends and starts being about you. Stop scrolling through articles that were written for everyone and no one. Stop buying products because they worked on someone who looks nothing like you. Start seeing what actually works on your face before you spend a dime. Try Glam AI for free today. See your best look now.